It's a really pretty day. It's not what I was expecting though. It looks like I'm gonna be going in for a full shift. So I was cooking last night and I was short a little bit of fish. So I was running around the house being like, alright, what else can I make for one more meal? And then I finally decided, you know what? I'll just make that low carb pizza. Threw everything together. About an hour, 10 minutes later, it was done and it was delicious. But it also set my sleeping schedule back about 2 hours. So instead of going to bed at 1, I went to bed at 3. It's bad. It's bad, Tyler. I mean, it's kind of gray over there. Maybe that'll come over here. Who knows? It did end up raining.
And Teen Titans Go, and Boondocks.
Whoa. Did you just say Teen Titans Go? I cannot say my people.
I haven't.
What do you mean,
Mixed people? Yeah, what do you mean, mixed people? Mixed people? Gay people?
You Teen Titans Go like the people.
It's your fault. Hold up. First of all, I have 3 little siblings.
That don't matter. That ain't matter. My ex had a son and he watched kid stuff.
Your siblings didn't grow up with you.
Actually, I showed my little brother, and he stopped watching Teen Titans Go, so I was watching with my sister. He was like, because he was just like, the words that came out of my little brother's mouth was what he was just like, why am I watching this? No, he didn't.
Yes, he did. He cuddled us. I mean, I talk to him all the time.
I cuddled us?
I think you kind of did. I said, what are you doing?
This guy right now.
No, I think you
see what I'm doing? Do you see what I'm doing, Tyler?
Dude, I don't need you to
You see what I'm doing, Tyler?
So we take him to the pier, right? We give him a blanket, and then we just push him out and drive, right?
Does it have to be the pier?
Well, I mean, he has to go to work eventually.
We could drop him off at Venice Beach. There's a lot of other beach bums there.
We'll think about it.
Love. Or do you just receive it as love?
Okay. So I want to see Charles get triggered again. So we went on a Kirby adventure. We smashed some faces, mostly his.
Yeah. Towards the end of the Pokemon game, though, I got real like, you know what, fuck this shit.
I let you guys win.
Oh, did you?
I let you guys win.
Did you?
I did.
And then
just know that I let you win.
Did you?
I let you. I felt sorry for you because you was.
Tyler whooped that ass.
And then we all went into.
I'm not a parent.
We all went into different legends of Zelda and had our own little adventures. So now we gotta go and drop people off. Second phase of adventure. Go!